Okay, so what I've done is I've got a bag here that I've stuffed with just some old paper towels that I was using. I'm going to put that down inside our opening where I can get that back. Tuck that out of the way so I can get to this flange. And I've got a crack in the flange that's right here. So the crack runs along this edge and then down under the flange. So it actually, when I lift up on this flange here, you can see where it flexes and this whole lip is broken. So I'm gonna remove that and take the old flange out and put a new flange in. The problem is this is glued down on it's 4-inch ring, and it's glued down on the inside of 4-inch PVC. So I'm gonna show you how I take that out. So first I'm gonna use a multi-tool to cut off the flange. So next I've got to cut the ring, the inside ring out from the old flange. And so I'm going to do that using a Sawzall and then chip it. It works pretty good if all they did was glue it. If they ended up priming it and then gluing it, it's going to be a lot tougher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Sawzall and cut a slot out and then chip that so that it'll hopefully break free. We'll see how this goes. So I'll let you follow along here. Okay, I'm using a metal cutting blade. That way it's the teeth are a lot closer together and it's a little easier to cut through the plastic without being so aggressive. If I can get that one piece there to separate out, I cut it about 1 inch apart. There we go. Go. As long as they haven't sealed those, they pop out normally pretty easy. Or primed it and then glued it. So that piece pops out pretty good. As you can see, this does get a little aggressive. Make sure you've got, I didn't say this before, but make sure you have some safety glasses on. Just using a cheap wood chisel to pop these out. And there we go. Old PVC ring, toilet ring is removed. Resolvent this with a new ring. So I've got a new metal ring to put in. Glue that down flat to the old one, and we are back in business and good to go. Hope that helps. And there you have it. Glued in, set, and ready to go. New toilet flange repair, and I can get on with my tiling job. Hope that helps. Took me about 10 minutes.